Hello Gurukulians, Namaste to all. Today again I am in front of you with new lecture. Today we will study 12th class business studies. We have completed 2 units of BST. Today we will start the 3rd unit. So in 3rd unit there is only one chapter. The name of the chapter is Business Environment. Business environment. In business environment, we include so many factors which affects the business either from inside or from outside. On some factors business has control, on some factors business has no control, like customers, suppliers, employees, competitors, government, tax authorities, or there may be so many factors. All these factors affect the business, like as customer. Who are customers? Who purchases, who consumes goods and services produced by businessmen? So they will affect the business or not. If they refuse to buy the product, if they start disliking the product, if they does not take interest in products in future, definitely it will affect the business. Second is suppliers, raw material supplier, they also affect the business. Sometime if we are not making payment on time to the suppliers, they can refuse us to supply the raw material. When we will be unable to get the raw material, our production will affect. It will affect the business. Third, employees. Employees also a major part of business. If due to any reason employees are not satisfied, they are demanding more salary, more facilities, they can go on strike. It will create a problem for business. So this will also affect. Next is competitors. The competitors definitely affects the business environment. Sometime competition is increased. You are having a shop, one more shop is open in front of you, and 40% of your customers shifted to your competitor. So definitely you have to set back a fall in your profits. Or government may change the policy, government may cancel the license, government is not allowing to export the goods to other countries. The government also affect the business. Tax authorities may impose the business. And nowadays you are seeing that this is coronavirus, business is affected to a great extent. Mostly all business houses are closed and we don't know when these will be started. So there are so many factors which affects the business. So here business environment. What is business environment? So business environment includes all those factors which influence the business from outside and on which business has no control. ये सारे ऐसे फैक्टर्स हैं जिनके ऊपर बिजनेसमैन का कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है. Due to change in these factors, business is affected. So this is the business environment. It includes all those factors which influence the business from outside and on which business has no control. So these factors includes 2 things, opportunities and threats. Both. Opportunities means chances of earning more profits. Due to change in business environment, opportunities will become available to us. If you see in the same corona pandemic situation, many multinational companies which are doing business in China, they are quitting. The directors, management of these companies are dissatisfied from China. They don't want to run their business in China. So it is the opportunity for our entrepreneurs, for our businessmen. They can attract such companies in our country by providing them more facilities. So if we keep a vigilant eye on such changes take place, we can get benefit of it. And it also includes the threats. Threats means danger. There may be different changes take place in business environment which will be a warning signal for us, which will be a danger for us, like increase in competition. If our competitor has started providing more facility to the customers, we have to provide such facility also to the customers, otherwise our customers will shift to our competitor. So, business environment includes both opportunities and threats. So, this is the meaning of business environment. Now, next topic is features of business environment. First feature is totality of external forces. So in business environment, there are various external forces which influence the business. As we have studied earlier, they include customers, suppliers, employees, government, competition, social environment, society, technological development. All these factors affect the business. So business environment is a total of various external forces which affects the business. Second is specific and general forces. So these forces different can be divided in two categories. First, specific forces, second, general forces. Specific forces are those which affects only a particular businessman, particular firm, not to all the firms, like customers, raw material suppliers. अगर कस्टमर किसी एक बिजनेस का प्रोडक्ट खरीदना बंद कर दें तो उसका इफेक्ट सिर्फ एक फर्म पर पड़ेगा, सब पर, पूरी इंडस्ट्री पर नहीं पड़ेगा. इन द सेम वे, इफ रॉ मटेरियल सप्लायर रिफ्यूजेस टू सप्लाई द गुड्स टू ए पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस, टू ए पर्टिकुलर कंपनी, it will affect only the same individual company, not to all the companies. So these are the specific forces which affects only a particular firm. Second, general forces. General forces affects all the firms of industry, all the business houses. बहुत सारी ऐसी फोर्सेस हैं, ऐसे फैक्टर्स हैं जो पूरी इंडस्ट्रीज को इफेक्ट करते हैं. अब जैसे कोरोना वायरस आया तो पूरे बिजनेस डिस्ट्रॉय हो गए, किसी एक को उसने डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं किया है. अब जैसे चेंज इन गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी, इंक्रीज इन टैक्सेस, तो इट विल बी इफेक्टेड, इट विल इफेक्ट टू ऑल द बिजनेस हाउसेस. या सोशल एनवायरनमेंट है, चेंज इन ट्रेंड, चेंज इन फैशन. जो फैशन चेंज होगा तो किसी एक बिजनेसमैन, एक फर्म के लिए नहीं होगा, वो सब के लिए होगा. तो जनरल फोर्सेज इंक्लूड्स दोज फोर्सेज which affects all the business houses. Third is interrelatedness. So all these forces are interrelated with each other. Due to change in one factor, other factors may also change. ये जितनी भी फोर्सेज हैं, अगर उनमें से किसी एक में चेंज आता है तो उसकी वजह से दूसरी फोर्सेज में भी चेंज आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नाउ ए डेज द पीपल आर मोर हेल्थ कॉन्शियस. हेल्थ के प्रति लोग ज़्यादा कॉन्शियस हैं. दिस इज सोशल एनवायरनमेंट, सोशल फैक्टर है ये भी. सोसाइटी में लोग फिट रहना चाहते हैं, दिस इज सोशल फैक्टर. तो ड्यू टू दिस कॉन्शियसनेस अबाउट हेल्थ, The demand for gyms has been increased so far. The demand for hygienic food has been increased. अब क्योंकि लोग हेल्थ कॉन्शियस हैं, वो फिट रहना चाहते हैं, इस वजह से वो हाइजीनिक फूड खाते हैं, जिम में जाते हैं। तो जो जिम की डिमांड इंक्रीज हुई है, हाइजीनिक फूड की डिमांड इंक्रीज हुई है, ये इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर है। जो ट्रेंड है, हेल्थ अवेयरनेस आई है, वो सोशल फैक्टर है। तो ड्यू टू चेंज इन सोशल फैक्टर, इकोनॉमिक एनवायरमेंट विल आल्सो चेंज। दिस इज कॉल्ड एज इंटररिलेटेडनेस। फोर्थ इज डायनेमिक नेचर। Dynamic nature. So all the forces which influence the business environment are dynamic in nature. Dynamic means changes take place in all these forces, like degree of competition. Sometimes competition is high, more, sometimes competition is less. Government policy, every time government policy changes. Prices of raw material, labor cost. So these forces are not stagnant, are not stable. Every time changes take place. So we can say that business environment is dynamic in nature. Fifth is uncertainty. Uncertainty means whatever changes take place in all the forces of business environment, that is uncertain. We cannot certainly predict how much changes take place in future. Future is uncertain. If we produce the goods on the basis of estimates, demand, what was the demand in last year according to which we produce, but at current situation, trend is changed, fashion is changed. So whatever product we produce, we will get it difficult to sell to the customers. That is uncertainty. Okay, what will happen in future, we cannot say it certainly. Next point is complexity. All these forces which affects the business environment are complex in nature, jatil hai, because there are so many factors which are responsible for threats or for opportunities. अब बिजनेस में कोई भी चेंज आया है, जैसे चेंज इन डिमांड इज डिक्रीज्ड, किसी प्रोडक्ट की डिमांड कम होगी, तो what is the reason behind it? There is not a single reason. Complex reasons, there are so many reasons. वो ट्रेंड में चेंज, फैशन में चेंज, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन इज इंक्रीज, दैट्स वाई प्राइस, वी हैव टू राइज द प्राइस, तो कस्टमर्स डोंट वांट टू बाय द प्रोडक्ट एट हायर प्राइस, competition is increased, government cancel our license, or there are so many factors which influence the business. So this is called as complexity. And last is relativity. Relativity means the business environment is differ from one place to another, from one region to another region, or from one country to another. Like the technology of Japan is not similar to India. एक कंट्री में किसी एक प्लेस पे जो ट्रेंड है, इट मे नॉट हैपन दैट द सेम ट्रेंड विल कंटिन्यू ऑन अदर प्लेसेस ऑल्सो. एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल लेते हैं. हमारा जो इंडियन कल्चर है उसमें लेडीज साड़ी पहनती हैं, तो आप इंडिया के किसी भी मार्केट में चले जाओ, यू कैन इजीली गेट द साड़ीज फ्रॉम द मार्केट. तो पूरे ऑल ओवर की इंडिया में मार्केट में साड़ी अवेलेबल है. बट इफ द सेम प्रोडक्ट साड़ी यू वांट टू सेल इन अदर कंट्री लाइक इन फ्रांस, इन द पेरिस, अगर आप पेरिस में साड़ी की दुकान ओपन कर लो, इवन देयर विल नॉट बी ए सिंगल कस्टमर, बिकॉज ट्रेंड इज डिफरेंट इन दैट कंट्री. तो दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रिलेटिविटी. द बिजनेस एनवायरमेंट अफेक्ट्स different regions in different ways. So these are the various features of business environment. Now next topic is importance of business environment. Benefits या importance of business environment. First point is first mover advantage. First mover advantage. It means if a particular business unit anticipates the changes take place in market, जो भी मार्केट में चेंजेस फ्यूचर में होने वाली हैं, अगर उनको एडवांस में एंटिसिपेट कर लेती है तो इट विल मेक इट्स पॉलिसीज अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट चेंजेस एंड इट विल बी you can say upward from other firms. You will be forward from other firms. जैसे कोरोना पेंडेमिक की वजह से जो इंडस्ट्री है, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट चाइना, कंपनी चाइना में बिजनेस नहीं करना चाहती, या जो चाइनीज कंपनी के ऑर्डर हैं वो कैंसिल हो रहे हैं. द पीपल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड आर नो मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन बाइंग द प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ चाइनीज कंपनी. अगर हमारे डोमेस्टिक एंटरप्रेन्योर इस चीज को एंटिसिपेट करें तो जो ऑर्डर चाइनीज कंपनीज को मिलते थे, वी कैन गेट सच ऑर्डर्स, वी कैन मैन्युफैक्चर द गुड्स एंड फुलफिल देयर डिमांड्स. तो जो कंपनी इस चीज को फर्स्ट एंटिसिपेट करेगी उसको वो एडवांटेज मिलेगा. उसने फर्स्ट मूव किया. किसी भी चेंजेस को जितनी जल्दी एंटिसिपेट करके वी विल टेक द डिसीजंस, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज फर्स्ट मूवर एडवांटेज. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज आइडेंटिफाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड आइडेंटिफाई थ्रेट्स एंड अर्ली वार्निंग सिग्नल्स. अर्ली warning signal. In the definition of business environment, we have studied about the threats. Threats means danger. There may be some threats in business which may arise in future. Like if we know that in future there will be less demand of our product. फ्यूचर में हमें पता है कंपटीशन इंक्रीज होने वाला है, या टेक्नोलॉजी किसी दूसरी कंपनी ने टेक्नोलॉजी अपग्रेड कर ली है, या तो हम वो खुद भी उसको अपडेट करें, अदरवाइज वी विल सेट बैक, वी विल लैग बिहाइंड. तो दिस इज द थ्रेट. तो दिस थ्रेट वर्क्स एज ए वार्निंग सिग्नल फॉर अस कि फ्यूचर में होने वाले जितने भी थ्रेट्स हैं, अगर हमने उनको एडवांस में एंटीसिपेट कर लिया तो इट विल वर्क्स एज ए वार्निंग सिग्नल फॉर अस. वो हमें बार बार वार्निंग देगा एंड वी विल चेंज आवर सेल्फ अकॉर्डिंग टू द सच थ्रेट्स. देन वी कैन सर्वाइव इन फ्यूचर. वी नो अबाउट द थ्रेट्स टू बी कमिंग इन फ्यूचर. तो दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंस. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज कोपिंग विद रैपिड चेंजेस. In our business environment, daily basis changes take place. हर रोज चेंजेस आ रही है. फैशन इज, ट्रेंड इज चेंज, कंपटीशन इज इंक्रीज. So many changes take place in business. Technology is changed. New products are invented, developed. So when we are very careful, vigilant, so we can anticipate these changes in advance and we change ourselves according to the changing needs. So whatever changes take place in business environment, if we anticipate all these changes in advance, then we can we can change ourselves according to the changing needs. Fourth point is assisting in planning and policy formulation. Planning and policy formulation. In business, we make our plan for the future, keeping in mind the changes take place in future. Planning is deciding in advance what is to be done. भी फ्यूचर में क्या करना है हम ये एडवांस में डिसाइड करते हैं. तो what will be the situation in future? We anticipate it through the business environment. It includes various forces that may change place in future. So when we anticipate these changes take place in business environment, we can change our policies, we can make our plans according to the changes place. So business environment helps us in making our plans, in making our policies. And last point is helps in improving performance. The business environment also helps us to improve our performance, because through business environment we study various forces, internal and external, which are beyond our control. So it will help us to improve our performance if we anticipate all the threats, all the opportunities take place in future. We make our policies according to that, definitely it will improve our performance level. So these are the points of importance of business environment. So today we have discussed the meaning of business environment, its features and importance. So for today this is this much, and again I will be in front of you to continue this topic. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.